Hi, welcome to Learn Chinese with Abdul. This is Abdul, your Chinese language instructor. I am pleased to introduce you the new series which will be helpful to increase your listening capabilities of Chinese language. Please get ready your notebook and a pen. In every episode, at first you will listen twice one paragraph in Chinese. Listen carefully and try to remember the details told in the paragraph. After that, you will get 5 questions. Write down the answers of these 5 questions on your notebook. To examine your work, find the solved key in the description link. Each question contains 2 marks. Check your answers and share your results with me and with friends in the comments. Check out of 10 how much marks you gain. So let's move on.
我们是一家贸易公司，我们有3家办公室，最大的办公室在上海，一家办公室在美国，一家在英国。我们的老板是中国人，他有钱人，一个月他在中国，一个月在外国，他喜欢旅游。我们是一家贸易公司，我们有3家办公室，最大的办公室在上海，一家办公室在美国，一家在英国。我们的老板是中国人，他有钱人，一个月他在中国，一个月在外国，他喜欢旅游。
Question number 1.
我们公司有几个办公室？我们公司有几个办公室？
Question number 2.
我们最大的办公室在哪儿？我们最大的办公室在哪儿？
Question number 3.
在美国我们公司有办公室吗？在美国我们公司有办公室吗？
Question number 4.
我们的老板是哪里的？我们的老板是哪里的？
Question number 5.
我们的老板喜欢什么？我们的老板喜欢什么？
Thanks for watching this video. If you like my efforts, please share this video with others. Subscribe our channel and press bell icon. See you soon. Goodbye.